Stop scrolling. I'll show you how to create your own YouTube channel from zero, even if you've never done this before. No skills, no experience. Just follow these steps. First, you need a Google account. If you already have Gmail, you're ready. If not, go to google.com, click Create Account, and sign up. This Google account is your key to YouTube. Now go to youtube.com. Click on your profile picture in the top right. Then click Create a Channel. Congratulations! You just entered the creator world. Now choose your channel name. Keep it simple, easy to remember, related to your content. Don't overthink it. You can change it later. Next, upload a profile picture. This can be your face, your logo, or a simple icon. Then add a banner. This is the big image at the top of your channel. It should show what your channel is about. Now click Customize Channel. Go to Basic Info. Write a short description. Who are you? What do you upload? Why should people subscribe? Then go to YouTube Studio. Click Settings. Set your country. Enable comments. Verify your account. This unlocks more features. Now the fun part. Click Create, then Upload Video. Select your video, add a title, add a description, add a thumbnail, and publish. That's it. You are officially a YouTuber. Don't wait for perfect. Start with simple. Your first video won't be perfect. Your second will be better. Your 10th will be great. The only way to grow is to start.